Hello everyone, and welcome back to Lee's Recipes. 220 grams of cabbage, chopped into small pieces and rinsed clean. Today, I'm going to show you a very easy yet incredibly tasty recipe made from cabbage, carrots, and eggs. 150 grams of carrots, shredded into thin strips. 45 grams of onion, finely minced. 'Turn on the stove and add some cooking oil to the pan. Add onions and sauté until fragrant. 50 grams red chili, remove stem and seeds inside. Chop the chili. Add the chili to the pan and stir. Please subscribe so you won't miss any new videos. Add carrots and cabbage and stir fry. Stay with me until the end to learn how to prepare cabbage in a simple but wonderfully delicious way. 20 grams green onion, chopped. Put the onions in the pan. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Pepper 1/4 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Stir fry for another 1 to 2 minutes to let the flavors blend. Transfer the stir-fried cabbage mixture into a large bowl. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Whisk the eggs thoroughly. Put the eggs in the cabbage bowl. Mix egg mixture with sautéed cabbage. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix everything together. Air fry for the first round at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes. Remove from the fryer and sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top. Air fry again at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes until the cheese melts and turns golden. Now you have a delicious cabbage carrot egg pancake, perfect for breakfast or dinner. Cut it into triangles or bite-sized pieces, however you prefer. If you enjoyed this recipe, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next recipe.